Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today we're going to show you how to easily delete one or more rows in Excel. Let's go ahead and demonstrate. We'll use this table as an example. The first step we need to do is to click on the row header, which is on the left side and is labeled with a number. We need to remove row number 5. We click on it and the row will be highlighted. Now we right-click. This will show us the table. We click on the option, Delete. Great. The row has been removed. Notice that the order of the rows has now changed depending on what change we made. We no longer have the banana in row 6, but it has moved to row 5. If we needed to remove multiple rows that are next to each other, we click on the first row and left-click, hold and drag across all the rows we want to remove. If we have selected all the rows we want to remove, we right-click again and click, Delete. What if we need to delete rows that are not consecutive? This is also very easy. On the keyboard, click the Control button. Hold down the. This way we can select all the rows we want to delete. We will perform the steps we already know. Remember that the rows you delete now will be permanently removed and we will not be able to access the deleted data. We are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to work with Excel quickly and really easily? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.